The world is to us what the Garden of Eden was supposed to be to Adam and Eve. Adam and Eve were banished, but we're banishing ourselves from our Eden. The difference is that Adam and Eve had somewhere else to go. We have nowhere else to go.
There is still a lot more to see to the west of the grounds and up towards the manor house where Lee Durrell lives. As you continue your visit, you'll come across the lower valley, teeming with native wildlife, a huge tunnel where our gorgeous Livingstone fruit bats live. And close by you'll see the beautiful red-ruffed lemurs leaping from branch to branch or basking in the sun during the summer months. To the far west you'll find Durrell's very own organic farm, which produces around 70% of the greens we need to feed over 1,700 different animals here on site. Don't forget to look up as you stroll around the grounds. With dozens of nest boxes, you're likely to see a red squirrel, extremely rare in Britain, or a short-toed tree creeper, not found anywhere else in mainland Britain. You are currently standing just feet away from a wood which is home to a group of black lion tamarinds and silvery marmosets. Marmosets and tamarinds are the smallest of the monkeys and live only in Central and South America. Both groups live in harmony within the wood, and as you'll see, there are no barriers to prevent them from escaping. Both species of monkey are extremely territorial. They find safety in numbers, which results in a close and trusting living arrangement. Why don't they make a break for freedom? Well, why would they, when the dangers they might face are far outweighed by the benefits of being lords of their own manor? By using scent glands, these highly territorial monkeys mark their ranges and communicate their mood. Their long whistling calls help groups to stay together and allow them to establish where rival groups are. Here at Durrell we have 5 different species of lemurs, which are all unique to Madagascar, a huge island situated off the southeast coast of Africa. There are 2 different types of ruffed lemurs, red-ruffed and black and white-ruffed, which are separate species but both critically endangered. We have ring-tailed lemurs, so called because of their long striped tails. Durrell has been home to ringtails since the 1960s. The gentle lemur, living in reed beds on the shores of Madagascar's Lake Elotra. With 2 sharp fangs, these little creatures skillfully rip apart reeds, which make up the main part of their diet. The lake is also home to 500,000 people, as well as being the main rice-growing region of Madagascar. There is great competition for food, as rice is also the staple diet for all Malagasy people. The last of the lemurs here in Jersey are the aye-ayes. Being a solitary, nocturnal creature, there has been much superstition surrounding them, as locals in Madagascar fear their glowing red eyes appearing in the forests late at night. If you hear a loud barking type of call, it's sure to be one of our lemur groups. Lemur etiquette states that it's only polite to join in. That's why you can hear different groups calling at the same time. Just behind this presentation point you will find the enclosure belonging to Durrell's pair of maned wolves, also known as stilt-legged foxes. These leggy canines are fed on a diet of meat, fruit and plants. You get the best chance to see them late in the day when they come out to feed, but be warned, their eating habits leave a lot to be desired. By now you may well have come across the splash of colour that is our Chilean and paler pink greater flamingos. But as you walk further down into the lower part of the valley, you will discover cranes, the teal aviary and our native species bird hide. Right up in the top corner of the site is our fabulous bat tunnel, where you will find one of the largest species of bat in the world, with a wingspan stretching well over a metre. The Livingstone fruit bat is critically endangered and can only be found on 2 islands in the Comoros Islands between Madagascar and mainland Africa. Wetlands are crucial to many communities, and here at Durrell we've gone to great lengths to recreate the natural habitat of a large number of endangered birds, which include many varieties of duck. Durrell conservationists continue to be called upon by other international organisations wanting to tap into the expertise that has been gained through years of work here in Jersey. Some of the smallest mammals here at Durrell include mongoose, meerkats and our Madagascar giant jumping rats. Whilst you may have already seen the external enclosures of the mongooses and meerkats, You will have to take a trip into the nighttime world of the giant jumping rat if you want to discover just how large they really are. Please remember that the conservation work that takes place here at Durrell in Jersey is supporting a large number of overseas projects that ultimately contribute to our mission to save endangered species from extinction. Without your support, the Trust's work would be made all the harder. So thank you.
We hope that there will still be fireflies and glowworms at night to guide you, and butterflies in the hedges and forests to greet you.